In this tutorial we will learn how to set up a malicious L DAP server on Linux with Rogue JNDI. The attacker-controlled L DAP server is required to provide the malicious Java class in response to the forged L DAP request from the server running a vulnerable version of Log4J. The served Java class may contain any malicious command, such as a reverse shell command that will be executed on the vulnerable server. There are quite a few solutions out there that provide this functionality, and one of them is Rogue JNDI. Rogue JNDI is a malicious L DAP server for JNDI injection attacks. In the next section I will give a short demonstration of how to install Rogue JNDI on the latest version of Kali Linux. Along with the required dependencies, with the apt update and apt install maven command we can install the maven dependency on our Kali host. Rogue JNDI also requires Java v1.7+, but this is already installed by default. Next, we change directory to the desktop and clone the Rogue JNDI repository. Then we move to the Rogue JNDI folder and build the Rogue JNDI tool with the mvn package command. After about 20 seconds the output will indicate that the build has successfully completed. We can now run Rogue JNDI and output the usage instructions with this command. At this point we can start the malicious L DAP server with a command that will be served as Java class in response to an L DAP query. This command starts the L DAP server and provides a Java class that creates a text file on the system as used in the Log4J VMware vCenter server post.